the attack of the killer bee, killer super bee. This is a 1970 rotisserie restored. It has a 440 six-pack under the hood and a pistol grip 4-speed sticking out of the center console. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this has the scooped hood with the bulge and the scoops and the Super Bee emblems, and all this is looking fantastic. It's all straight, lines up perfectly square and flush, and no dents, no damage. All this is looking really sharp. All these lines are real nice, clean all the way to the bottom. A couple little tiny stone chips down there, but straight, smooth, shiny. Let's see how the door opens. Oh, easy. I mean, it's going to close easy. Jambs are painted slick. Oh, yeah. No vinyl roof, just all beautiful B5 blue paint. Quarter panels all nice and clean, has nice body lines. Trunk lines up real nicely as well. All looking really good. And this is a B5 blue car. It's right on the trim tag. All looking sharp. And then, of course, you got the bumblebee stripe with the Super Bee. That's a cool logo right there. All clean, even behind the tire. It's like a mirror. All looking really nice all the way to the bottom. Even the rockers are smooth. Yeah, this door opened easily too. Jambs are slick. Shuts like new. Body and paint's really outstanding, actually, as I'm going around it. This is all clean, straight, beautiful, real nice. I'm very happy. The metallic is all laid out evenly. The clear coat's polished glossy. So it has like the dual bumpers up front here, and all look shiny, straight. The grills are restored. I like that red stripe, but it's all looking really nice up here. Correct antenna. Windshield looks very nice and clear. All the stainless trim, I would say it's all very good. Rear windows pop open. The pillars here have some freckles, but no pitting. The wheels, those are new. Those were just added. They're US mag wrapped in performance tires. I'm going to guess they're 17 or 18 inch. Yeah, they're 18s. And yeah, these are new. These were just added to the car. Rear windows, original glass, in good shape. Rear bumper has been re-chromed. The rear tail panel is much better than average. It's all looking really good. Has some more reddish orange details and that cool Super Bee emblem. I think that's it for the outside. Let's check out the inside and what's under that hood. Now this is when trunks were trunks. Look at all that room. Well, under the trunk lid, they did a nice job painting it. The latch looks new. Sticker was replaced. The jamb is very nice and painted. Weather strip replaced. Looks like it has a trunk light as well. Inside, all solid, all painted blue. Looks like the original quarter panels on both sides. It does have a complete jack and spare assemblies. So this is a clean and complete trunk compartment. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, which I know you're going to do, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Pretty car. Yeah, those jambs are painted up nice. Latches look clean. Weather strips replaced. Door panels look to be very nice. Same with the armrest. There is a little tear on the side of the one over here. The black metal's painted slick. Nice instrument panel. You got the wood grain. You have the tachometer around the clock. And then the rest of the factory gauges. Everything looks very nice, proper. Dash pad looks real good. Oh, that's an AM FM radio. That's pretty rare. Again, all this looking real nice. Glove box light works. Here's the owner's manual. New liner. Kick panels are nice. Carpets are nice. You got the Super Bee floor mats. The lights work in the console. Very nice console, but boy, this is it right here. That pistol grip shifter is cool. 4-speed cars have the reverse light here. You don't see that on automatics. The upholstery on the seats sure looks like it's very fresh. The Backs of the seats got a few nicks on it. It's original. The back seat is in real nice shape. Seat belts are there, side panels, all that's looking very good. Headliner's real nice. Not wrinkled. Looks like it's replaced professionally. Looking good. You got the shoulder belts. The visors look nice. Mirror looks good. Steering wheel probably been replaced. It's not worn at all. So yeah, overall very nice, clean interior. Again, bucket seats with a pistol grip 4-speed. That's all you need. So what we've got here is a 440 engine with the 6-pack carbs under there, 3 2-barrel carbs. That should be producing 390 horsepower. It's all done like stock, the air cleaner, valve covers, exhaust manifolds, and then the firewall components look nice and orderly. Even the squirters are hooked up. We got reproduction clamps and Mopar hoses held in the right bracket. Little clips for the hoses. Everything's the way it should be. You got the washer fluid bottle. You got the horns. All this is nice and clean up here. Radiator, shroud, hoses, even the wires are in the looms. Battery is secured properly. Does have a disconnect switch. Also has a little plug-in for a battery tender hooked up. Here's the original fender tag right here. Gives the options and codes. There's the B5 blue. And under the hood's painted nicely too. So now's the part where Michael takes you for a ride, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, Rock'em Sock'em Super Bee here. Holy cow, 440 with the 6-pack under the hood. And we got the 4-speed manual with the world famous pistol grip shifter. Heck yeah, sign me up. This is where it's at, kids. Started right up nice and easy for me. Seems to be just floating over all these bumps and cracks in the road. Really good ride quality is what I've noticed. And nice rotisserie restoration. Numbers matching 440 on top of that. This is the stuff that dreams are made of. And I'm super excited to be driving it. Definitely get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage because it is mighty impressive, and I bet you're gonna really like it. We do have quite a bit of traffic here, so good chance to check out the idle. Nice little rumble to the exhaust, but a smooth runner overall. And I don't mind it so much because we got a chance to enjoy these very nice seats that they got, the sport bucket seats. And now without further delay, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. I'm not sure. I think we got to talk with the shop about recalibrating the speedometer just a little bit. But yeah, what a rocket, man. This thing rips. Nice tune on the 6-pack there. She didn't sputter or hesitate, anything like that. So really great build overall. Strong running engine. And blast to throw around that pistol grip, that's for sure. So go on our website, volocars.com, check out all the details, and contact our sales department if you want to come take it for a test drive. I'd recommend it. It's a heck of a great time.
right underneath this car is beautiful. It was on a rotisserie, and I'm telling you what, the floors, the frame rails, you close the door carefully? The inner rockers, ooh, not that hard. Everything under there is clean, smooth metal, painted B5 blue. All the steering and suspension looks like it's been rebuilt. Matter of fact, all the clips, clamps, nuts, bolts, everything's fresh looking under there. Has a dual exhaust with Dynamax mufflers and the correct tips coming out the back. The fuel system was replaced, including the tank. Watch your head. Brake system's been gone through, and the car just went through our shop to be serviced as well. You look up at the motor, all nice, clean. The transmission's actually VIN number matched to the car. It's the original 4-speed transmission. And again, exceptionally clean, good-looking car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions like how to get your Super Bee delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching. Let's go get some dinner, Max.